This November we are running a workshop in Malta entitled Meeting My Embodied and Sexual Self. The aim of this workshop is to develop a deeper connection with ourselves as embodied beings. And this means using the body as a place to get to know ourselves more, as a place to be grounded in when we are feeling overwhelmed, and also as a place to integrate different parts of ourselves, including the sexual side. The workshop is divided into two parts. The first part is about getting more in touch and getting to know more our body, and that we will do through breathing, movement, voice, and touch. There's also a part to that which is about consent, establishing consent, and consent is about what do I really want right now. So being able to say, first of all, a yes to myself, and then understanding whether I want to say a yes or a no to someone else and being able to express that. The second day, the second part, focuses on more the sexual side, and that is not about having sex. We will not be doing that in the workshop, but it is about incorporating more the erotic side of life as well in our embodied, in our experience of being embodied. This is all done in a spirit of consent. So although we will be suggesting exercises to you and different activities, and although the workshop is aimed at stretching our comfort zone, ultimately you are always in control in deciding what you want to engage in, to make sure that this is a safe and a growth space for you. Also, in light of that, being aware that the second day can be a bit more challenging for some people, it is possible to come to the first day, see how you feel with the group and with the activities, and then decide from there whether you want to join us on the second day. So if you are interested, the workshop is on the 5th and the 6th of November, and if you want more information about that, or if you want to book and join us, you can find that information on orangebodies.com.